Hey, Cali Legal here. I was going to show you what I just got in the mail. Boresighter and a bipod for my son's rifle, a 22 rifle. Amazon has some great deals sometimes. Also eBay. Tend to buy some stuff there. Can't find too many accessories or things I might want here local at our local gun shops. I am in Cali, so there aren't that many. So yeah, I have to go through the internet. You get good deals. Sometimes you pair stuff up, you get free shipping. So definitely, you can find some deals there. So there we go. There we go. Trusty knife, keychain. Yeah. Inexpensive, $7. Probably get the job done. We'll see how long it lasts, how durable it is. Good, locks up here. We'll see how good it works out. Probably hit the range this weekend. And laser Boresighter, handguns, rifles, and shotguns. Includes arbors for 22 to 50 caliber firearms, 20 gauge and 12 gauge. Says easy to use. Bushnell. Let's find out. See how we can get this out close. There we go. All metal. There's an on and off switch here. There you go. It's on. Let's see if I don't blind you guys. There you go. See it here. Alright. Batteries, I guess, are in there. My bag comes with the batteries ready to go. Let me see if I can switch it off now. There we go. So I'll try it out. Get my son's rifle sighted. Let you guys know how good it worked. All right. Cali Legal out.